How to fix confirm your identity Facebook problem. So if you want to fix confirm your identity Facebook problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you can go with the help center, or the easiest way is you can open up your browser, search for Facebook Help Center, tap on m.facebook.com, which is under the Facebook Help Center. Now once you're here, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Tap on managing your account, and under managing your account, tap on login and password, and under that you'll have fix a login problem. Tap on it, scroll down, and then you need to just go with was this helpful. Tap on no, and here you need to go with other, and then you need to write dear Facebook team, my account was locked because of the identity problem on this and this date, and it's not unlocking. This account is very important to me, so help me unlock my Facebook account as soon as possible. My account information is this and this. You need to enter your name, your birthday, number, email of your Facebook, and after that send or submit it. Once you've submitted, then within a few days or within a few hours, you'll receive the mail to your email and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.